From the industry leader in trail camera technology comes the Fusion Cellular camera from StealthCam. Wireless cameras have never been this easy to use. The QR Quick Scan makes setup simple, allowing for complete camera control within minutes via the all-new Command app and web interface. The all-new Command app allows you to remotely monitor existing cellular stealth cams, as well as the all-new Muddy Manifest, not only by customizing capture modes and selecting camera settings perfect for any situation, but also for the utilization of the Command app's advanced tracking feature, which provides detailed, in-depth analytics on time, weather, and history, allowing you to pattern your hit listers, formulate your game plan, and increase your chances of success. Featuring best-in-class data plan options and the most user-friendly and detailed app on the market, the Fusion Cell camera was designed for optimal usability, and with a 30-day unlimited free data trial, no contracts, and 1 free year of cloud storage, there's no better time to go cellular. The Fusion Cellular camera from StealthCam. Cellular simplified.